Hey everyone, welcome. So I just want to point out something. So yes, just wondering, what is your favourite logo out of this one? This is right here. So I think it's that way. I'll be doing editing, so yes. The thing is, I don't really know how to edit properly. So, yeah, which one is your favourite? Tell me in the comments what is your favourite steam and diesel loco, and make sure to like, subscribe. That'd be very nice. And yeah, and thanks for the subscribes and everything. So I am just off out. Yeah. See you in the next video, guys. Take care. Peace out.